Okay, guys. These are your notes for today. We're going over proportions. It's something a lot of y'all already know how to do. We're just gonna kind of add another layer to it, but this is definitely something that all of you have done before, and that is cross multiplying. So again, before we start, proportions are really one of the more useful. What it even is today's date, 26th. Proportions are really one of the most useful things that you'll learn in this class. I know I'm a math teacher, but even outside of the classroom, I use proportions all the time, trying to figure out different things with finances and other number related things that you're just trying to figure out as a person living in the world. So hopefully this will stay with you for a while and it'll be useful to you down the road as well as right now. So first step is you're going to cross multiply. And after we go through these first few steps, I'll explain really what a proportion is doing. So we're going to cross multiply. So that's going to look like, use a colon. It's going to look like A over B equals C over D. And you're going to cross multiply, where that comes out to be A times D equals B times C. Okay. Your second step is distribute if necessary. And solve or simplify. Okay, so what a proportion is doing is basically saying we can, because of the variable, we can make any two ratios equal to each other. Okay, so we have 4/3. Okay, we could put anything we wanted over here for the most part, and because of our use of cross multiplying, we would be able to find x and find the equivalent to 4/3 when that 6 is a denominator. So let's see what this looks like. We're going to cross multiply. That's step one. So that's going to give us 4 times 6 on the left side and 3x on the right side. Now you don't have to break it down into this first step. I'm just kind of showing you what it looks like, but you can go ahead and work it out. So it's 24 equals 3x. And now you're just solving an equation like you've been doing. You can divide both sides by 3 to get x by itself. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Okay, so the equivalent to 4/3 is 8 over 6. Okay, but you only have to give me the x. So let's look at number 2. So again, step 1 is cross multiply. So that's going to give us 2 times n plus 5 equals 10 times 4, which is going to be 40. Okay, now this is where step 2 comes into play. Distribute if necessary. So we're going to distribute our 2. It's going to give us 2n plus 10 equals 40. And now we're just going to finish solving. I'm going to take 10 away from both sides. 10s are going to cancel out on the left side. I bring down the 2n equals 40 minus 10, which is going to be 30. Final step to get n by itself is divide both sides by 2. N equals 15. That'll be my final answer on that one. Okay. Let's see. You know what? Let me just give you, let's do 3 and 4 together also, and then you can try the ones at the bottom. So we're going to, step 1, cross multiply. Okay? See if you can finish my sentence for me. So on the left side, we have 5 times y minus 3. On the right side, we have 2y. Step 2, distribute. It's going to give us 5y minus 15 equals 2y. And now we're solving. I'm going to move over the 5y and bring down the negative 15 equals negative 3y. And I'm going to rewrite this up here. So I have negative 15 equals negative 3y. Divide both sides by negative 3 to get y by itself. It's going to give me y equals 5. Okay. Number 4, again, step 1, cross multiply. So on the left side, that'll give us 5 times the difference of 2k and 3 equals 3 times the sum of k and 9. We're going to have to distribute on both sides now. So go ahead and do that. Okay, now I'm going to move my variables to the left and move my constants to the right. So I'll go ahead and move my variable. It'll give me 7k minus 15 equals 27. I'm going to move the 15 over, which is going to give me, move it up here, it's going to give me 7k on the left side, and 27 plus 15 is going to be 42 on the right. Divide both sides by 7. That'll be k equals 6. Okay? So now I would like for you to please complete here's the number I'm going to give you. Please complete at least 8 of these practice problems. Okay? So you need to pick 8 of them. There's 16 total on the notes. Once you do those, you can come back and check. So if you just want to pause the video and move on and do those problems, then you can unpause and check your answers. You should be good to go. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please don't forget to finish your IXLs if you have not done so, because they are due on Friday. And please make sure you're keeping up with any work that you have missed or that you have not completed yet. Again, if you have any questions, just shoot me an email, and I will talk to you guys on Friday. So again, you can pause the video and then unpause when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, guys. There's all the problems. Again, if you have any questions, please shoot me an email. Good luck and work hard.